In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a customer statement in Xero. If you've been managing your accounts in Xero and you need to send a customer statement, you're in the right place. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you feel confident and clear about each action we take together. First, let's open up the Xero website. If you haven't already logged into your account, take a moment to do this. Enter your credentials and sign into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, we're ready to start. Now, let's navigate to the sales area. In the main menu of your dashboard, you should see a tab labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on that. This is your central hub for all sales-related activities, and it's where we'll perform most of our tasks today. Once you're on the sales page, you'll see an option for Sales Overview. Click on it to get a broader view of all the sales activity. This will display a summary that includes invoices, quotes, and, most importantly for us right now, the ability to send statements. From the sales overview, you'll notice a section where you can select to send statements. This is usually prominently displayed and easy to find. Click on Send Statements, and this will bring you to a screen where you can choose which statement you want to send. At this point, you'll see a list of all your customers. What you need to do next is select the name of the individual or business you want to send a customer statement to. Simply scroll through the list and click on the customer's name. After you've selected the appropriate customer, look for the option to email the statement. Clicking this will open up an email interface directly within Xero, making it seamless to communicate essential financial information to your customers. Now, follow any prompts that appear on your screen. Xero will guide you through the final stages of sending your statement, ensuring all details are correct and that it goes to the right recipient. It is helpful to double-check that the email address on file is current and correct. This simple verification step can prevent unnecessary back-and-forth communication later. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a customer statement in Xero. Remember, the key is to make use of Xero's intuitive navigation and tools, which are designed to streamline the accounting process for you. Don't hesitate to explore other related features in Xero, which can offer even more insights into how your business is performing financially. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials to continue mastering Xero.